Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am participating in the cleaning closet challenge, and I will give you some more details on that later on in the video. But I am getting ready to transform this space. If you remember, or if you are subscribed to my channel, you will know that this room has been so many different things. It has been a eating nook, it has been a guest room, it has been my office for the longest, and really trying to get it going. But I am going to turn it into my pantry because it is off of my kitchen, and the pantry that we have now is teeny tiny. So for my family and I, it's just so much more practical to have a larger space for our pantry because we are able to store so many different things in there, and it's basically going to be my pantry but multi-purpose as well. I'm also going to be doing my crafting in here, so it's still sort of my office slash pantry slash craft room. Just to let you guys know, it is not going to be entirely done. I am going to be doing an update on this space and giving you guys like a really big reveal in the fall. But for now, I just wanted to go ahead and clean it out and kind of get it organized so that you guys can see what it is going to look like.
Chilling right under the tree. Whoa, whoa, I love it. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year.
So if this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shoshana. I do have two YouTube channels here, and my main channel is Regal Designs by Shoshana, where I do a lot of DIYs and crafting, seasonal and home decor, and some thrifting videos and hauls as well. I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 12 noon on this channel, and then on my cleaning channel, which you are watching right now, The Cleaning Queen, I do upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12 noon, and I do a lot of cleaning motivation, home organization, and decluttering as well. So if you guys are interested in all of the content that I have going on, please go ahead and subscribe to both these channels. Don't forget to double tap the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for your support.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
So guys, like I said, I am participating in the Clean Closet Challenge, and it is hosted by my good friend here on YouTube, Abby from Abby's Nest. She does a lot of home decor, cleaning videos, DIYs, and much more. Make sure you hit her up. Her link will be down in the description box below, as well as the playlist of some amazing women that, oh my gosh, we have just become such close friends, and I really love these ladies because they are so powerful and so talented in their own right, and I'm just really enjoying the friendships that we have formed here on YouTube. So make sure you go ahead and check the description box for Abby's link to her channel, and also the link to the playlist of all these wonderful women that's taking part in this challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to their channels as well, and hit the bell so that you'll be notified of their uploads. So now I am just cleaning everything, getting everything out of the room so that I can take this elephant table out of my office space. You guys, I love this table. I got this table off of Facebook Marketplace and it was for free. And I've been wanting to paint this table for the longest and just have not had the motivation to do it. And so now I am getting it out of this space, and getting this pantry done is the motivation that I needed to get this table out and to get it painted. So I can't wait for you guys to see what that looks like. It is definitely going to be, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So now I'm just kind of rolling everything out, and this is what it looks like in the interim of getting it done. This is like an evening shot of the same day, and I'm not completely done with it in this clip, but I just wanted to show you guys midway what it looks like.
Special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start.
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like for now. It is cleaned out, it is organized. I have my breakfast bar, where you see the gray cabinets. That is going to be my crafting station, where I'm going to be doing all my crafts and all my DIYs. And then this is the start of the pantry itself. I'm also going to be doing some shelving on the wall to the left. So I'm not completely done yet, but this is what it is for now. And guys, let me just tell you, my family and I are loving it. This is our new coffee, hot chocolate tea station. We are loving it so much. It is so practical, so much more organized, and just so much more space. I took everything from out of my kitchen, off my countertops, and put it in this space, and it just really, really works for our family. We come in here all the time. This is like the gathering spot for everybody now. We come in here, we sit down on the ground, and we kind of just admire the space, and it's just so much easier to find things. You know, the food is just not like on top of each other, and I have my equipment in here. I also have my fruit basket in here, my breakfast bar with our toaster oven and everything, and it's so much more practical for our family. We are a family of 5, and so my kids are always in the pantry, so this works out so much better. And yes, I do have my tree up because I'm getting ready for fall. And there goes those baskets that I thrifted along with that vintage copper tea kettle. And I also have my little Scentsies here, where I burn my, not burn, but I, you know, have my little scents that I use in my home. I also have my vacuums, my mops, my brooms. It's just such a more practical space. I can watch my kids while I do my crafting. Also, when I'm cooking dinner, I can see them through this window. So it's just such a better space for me and for us as a family, and I love the direction that it is going into. I cannot wait to completely complete this room, paint everything, and let everything just be cohesive, and just a lot more organized than what it is now, but just a lot more cohesive. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell twice so that you can see over time what this room is going to officially look like, and so that you don't miss any episodes of the DIYing process and building of the shelves and painting and all that good stuff. So Abby, thank you so much once more for including me in this wonderful challenge. I am so grateful. Guys, make sure you go ahead and check out Abby's channel. Her link will be down in the description box below, and also the link to the playlist of all the women that's going to be participating in this challenge. I do have my step stool because I am 5'1" and I do need it to reach the top of things. Don't forget that I do have an Amazon store that will also be linked down below, and my Regal Designs by Shoshana channel will also be linked down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be unique, go inspire, and be inspired. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.